Good morning. Introduction. My name is Safitri. Here I will present the slide that I have made. Okay, let's start. Welcome to Nal Cafe. If you are hungry, Nal Cafe is the solution. An elegant, instructable, and natural nonsense place suitable for hanging out with family, friends, or couple. We serve traditional and international food, and there are also drinks that can refresh your throat. Curated halal and cooked by chefs from fresh corners who are guaranteed to taste delicious. We serve traditional food ranging from satay, soup, grilled chicken, and so on. So it is very suitable for the town of the archipelago. Our international food serves hamburger, potato chip, chicken rice, and so on. Created to suit everyone's tongue. We also provide drink that can refresh your throat, starting from iced tea, orange juice, and so on. Let's come to Lan Cafe soon. Christmas and New Year special. We are holding big promotion and discounts. Come on, come soon and don't forget to invite your loved ones.